everybody, welcome back to my channel. This year we are going to be making some spooky fun Halloween decorations. If you like what you see and would like to learn how to make these simple decorations, then stay tuned. You will need an old book for this project. My library gives away old books that don't get chucked out anymore, so if you don't have one, try checking your library. I made a stencil using a Cricut machine, but you don't need one of these. You can just write or draw whatever you want on your book. There are two options I use to make the raised lettering and pictures. The first option is to use glue. Once it's dry, spray paint with black spray paint. Use a sponge brush. I think the key to all of this painting is to put a small amount of paint on the brush as you can. You can always add more paint if you need. The second option is to use yarn or string. You'll need to glue the yarn on. For this particular book, I used the glue option and found that once I was done with all of these steps and spray painted the project, the lettering wasn't raised high enough to be really seen through the crepe paper layer. And that's when I went ahead and used the string option. I'm telling you about my trial and error here so you can learn from my mistakes and help you save some time. Now we are going to make potion bottles. The steps for these potion bottles are the same for the book cover making process. I had old baby food jars that I used for this. I spray painted the lid and then put water and glitter in the jar. I then simply wrote fairy tears on the jar and was done. I came up with that. If you want to do something else, it's also your choice. I went ahead and glued some string and moss to the tops of the bottles to add a little more character. You can do the same as well as use any type of bottle you can come across. It doesn't have to be a pill or vitamin bottles. I used an old vanilla extract bottle for one of my bottles. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and I'd like to wish my subscribers a happy Halloween.